I'm Jen and welcome to my studio, and today we're going to be doing a technique exercise that involves Broadways or Shirley temples or Manhattans or Alexanders or whatever it is you call them. My husband, I almost called him my fiance, but that just goes to show you we have not been married that long because that feels weird. Anyway, so my husband actually made a version of this for his tap class, and I was like, yo, I kind of like that. Can I take it and mess with it for YouTube? And he's like, yeah, sure. So I have his permission, and this exercise is inspired by Sean. So everyone in the comments, leave a thank you, Sean, or like, good job, Sean, because this exercise is super cool. It's great for across the floor if you're working on backwards movement. So it's got some parts of it that don't really move, but it does have backwards movement to it. You'll see, it makes sense, I promise. Okay, so it starts with, because I know you guys are probably like, wait, Shirley temples don't move backwards. What are you talking about? Just wait. So it starts with two, I'm gonna call them Broadways because that's what I call them, but I know that a lot of people call them Shirley temples. But for the rest of this exercise, I may refer to them as Broadways. Cool? Cool. So, I just realized the window's open. Okay, awkward. So, that fixed the lighting problem. Anyway, so we're gonna start with two Broadways, okay? So it starts on and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. Very even rhythm, very mid-grade tempo. So it goes and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Now, two things. Number one, if you've never done a Broadway before, or a Shirley temple before, make sure you check out the step tutorial playlist in the description below. I have an entire video that teaches how to do this step. And it's very important that when you specifically do the Broadway or Shirley temple or Manhattan or whatever you call it, that you do the opposite heel first. It plays a part in this exercise that on these two specifically, you do the opposite heel first. So you have that flap, and you're gonna drop the left heel first on the heel. You flap with the right foot, left heel goes down first. Spank heel, toe, heel. Flap with the left foot, right heel goes down first. Heel, spank, heel, toe. So, very important for this part that it happens that way. So let's just do that one more time together. Just make sure we got it. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Good. Now, we're gonna do flap, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel. But it's not a Broadway. You're using the wrong heel first. So it's technically not a Broadway. It's close, but it's not quite. So you're gonna flap forward. Drop your right heel first. So it's gonna be the same heel instead of the opposite. Heel, and then spank heel, toe, heel from the front. So that is different from the Broadway. When you do it on the right, regularly, flap, heel. You flap with the right and you heel, left, right. So it goes right, left, right. When you do it to the front like this, it goes right, left. So you're using the same heel, instead of heel, if that makes sense. So the first two, you're using opposite heel first. That front one, you're using same heel first. So that's flap, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel. So let's try the two Broadways and then go into the flap, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel, forward. Ready? And I know some of you guys are like, it still hasn't moved backwards, Jen. Don't worry. So two Broadways and then to the front. 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and 6, and 7, 8. Flap, right, left, spank, heel, toe, heel. Good. Okay. Now that we've done up to there, your right foot's free. You hold 4, and 1, and 2, and 3, and 4. You hold the and of 4. And then you have step, spank, heel, shuffle, heel. So you do step, spank, heel, which is like a drawback, but you're starting on the step. Shuffle, heel. And then you have step, spank, heel. And then toe. And then you would start the whole thing again. There's the backwards movement. So if you're going across the floor, it doesn't move back a lot. But this will challenge your students to do a lot of reps. Or it'll challenge you if this video is for you instead of like if you're not a teacher or anything. It'll challenge you guys to do a lot of reps and really focus on the difference between the Broadway and the flap, heel, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel. So it's like a tongue twister, but like for your feet. So like a toe twister. Sorry, I like that phrase. So the 2 Broadways, you stay in place. The forward flap, heel, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel. Here's where the backwards movement comes. You hold the and a 4 and then 5 and 6 and 7. And that takes you a little bit backwards. You can move even further than that, but I'm afraid of falling off my floor. So these floors are amazing. I'm just always scared of falling off of them. I was also scared of falling off the balance beam, even when it was this high off the ground. Like, I'm just not good with heights, apparently. This is an inch off the ground, and I'm scared. So, all right. We have 2 Broadways. Flap, heel, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel with forward movement, and then step, spank, heel, shift, heel, step, spank, heel, toe. So let's try all of that together and try to get the rhythms in there. That last rhythm is 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. So you're working with 8th notes the entire time until the end. You're working with triplets. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Triplet, 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 top. Yes? Cool. You can tell I'm teaching a lot on Zoom right now because I'm doing a lot of thumbs up lately. I have been on so many Zoom meetings, Zoom classes, lots of thumbs up. All right, not tap, math. So I know some of you guys are like, wait, you're teaching on Zoom? Not really, math. Okay, so let's try the whole thing. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7, 8. Go lap, heel, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. It goes right into the next one, but you have to go up, go lap. So like 8 and 1, right into that flap. So let's try it twice in a row, and we'll try it on the left, and then we'll try it with music. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Go lap, heel, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1. Go lap, heel, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Good. Okay, let's try it on the left. Let's just try it on the left one time, then we'll do it with music. So just one time through. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Go lap, heel, heel, spank, heel, toe, heel. 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, I know my rhythm was really off, and I want another chance to do that. So let's take another chance to do that really quick. You flap left, right heel goes down first. Then you flap right, opposite heel, so left. On this one, it is the same, so if you're flapping left, putting left heel down first. I know we didn't quite go over that. Okay, let's try it one more time. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Awesome. Okay, now let's try it with music. So the tempo, the lap heel, heel spank, heel toe, heel. Okay? And 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. Let's try it twice in a row on the right. Twice in a row. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, real quick, let's just try it twice in a row on the left. And then we got it. There's those thumbs up again. All right, twice in a row on the left. Such a happy song. Ready? 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. if you're wondering what that song was. It sounds so happy and so good for springtime. I'm gonna bring it to class this week for sure. All right, I hope you guys had so much fun learning this with me today. I had a lot of fun teaching it to you. If you're not already subscribed to this channel, hit that subscribe button and join the TAP fam. We've got technique exercises like this, step tutorials like I mentioned earlier, I think, yes. Step tutorials like I mentioned earlier right in the playlist below, but also new ones get added all the time. And we've got choreography tutorials where you can learn a combination to a song. It's super, super fun. Make sure that you subscribe to this channel because it's all free tap class and it's for you. And my goal is to just like have this channel be like the thing that I do. In addition to owning a studio and performing and okay, anyway, so just subscribe to the channel and I will keep putting videos up. So yeah, subscribe, but also hit that thumbs up because thumbs up tells YouTube people like tap dance and we need to tell YouTube that people do like tap dance. Because we do. So, subscribe, thumbs up, and as always, thank you for dancing with me.